Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to talk to you about the various workbooks, fun interactive books that I've been using with my 3-year-old and we started using them quite early when he was 19 or 20 months old, and I'll show you how I have kind of progressed in this journey. A lot of parents also believe that we shouldn't pressurize our kids to write at an early age, but I believe it absolutely depends on the child's capability and his interests. A lot of schools and boards even don't follow, they don't encourage writing at an early age, but if your child is active and has been doing pre-writing exercises and is keen to learn newer things, I think there is nothing called too early or too late. So to start with, I'll just take you through some of the very good books that I have got over a span of say 2 years now, and it's a result of a great I've done a lot of research on this, and I've got some of the great books that I've found on the internet and in markets. So to start with, I'll start with this, which I really liked. It's by J.D. Alfrez, who's a very inspiring mom on the internet, and she's been doing this work. She's a mom of 5 little kids, and she's been doing a lot of inspiring work in this field, and she's published these set of books. This one is for preschool writing, but this is very basic. See, these are extremely basic books, but I also found this a little expensive, a little too expensive. I'll link it below in the description box. So what I do is I take printout of these books, and just to make the purchase more worthwhile. And like for this book, this is one of my favorites. I don't recommend this one for a lot of parents because this is very basic, and it's a little too expensive. It costed me around 1200 to 1300 rupees because it was shipped from America. So this one I really like. This is definitely a must buy for those who can afford, of course. We have done this, like we have finished doing this twice almost. So what I do is I take printout of these books, and I do a spiral binding just to make them more durable. And so my son Abir has finished doing this twice. The good thing about this is it doesn't require a child to know how to write. If a child can just scribble or make circles, he can do these workbooks. This one especially. So my 3.5 can now write. Is like he knows how to write. But I started with this, and this is an absolute like a highest recommendation for this book. I really found it interesting. A lot of people ask me why I take printouts and create multiple copies of these books. The only reason is that these are expensive books, and a lot of kids and parents, they can't afford such resources. So if we can help others with once my child outgrows the age and he doesn't need it anymore, I can share it with other kids and parents who cannot afford this sort of resources for their kids. So I think it's a valuable contribution to spread the kind of education I want to give to my child. I look at it that way. You may differ. The other one that I really like is this super fun dot to dot activity book. This also I bought from I guess a local store, but these are dot to dot activities which kind of help them practice their numbers, the uppercase letters, and then the lowercase letters. So it's a good way of doing number and letter recognition activity. you can create such worksheets at home as well. What I do, like I said, is I take printouts and I make a separate folder of it. I'll link it below in the description box how I create a folder of such worksheets, and kind of reuse the worksheets as and when required. And these are fairly inexpensive and simple workbooks that anyone can find in their local stores. These are tracing workbooks. I think they are a great way to start introducing the child to learn their alphabets and numbers. These are activity based books which enhances the child's fine motor skills, their visual recognition and various sorting related skills. So there are multiple options available in the market. I'll link below the ones that I've purchased online and have been extremely helpful in building my child's ability to write at such an early age. He's 3.5 and he can already write his alphabets 1 through A to Z and numbers till 30. So there are multiple number of books that you can find in the market. The ones that sharpen their pre-writing skills, where they do slant lines, standing lines, sleeping lines and all of that before they start writing their alphabets and numbers. So tracing really helps. You can also go for such wipe and clean writing. So this is sort of reuse. This has a reuse value as well. So I prefer these books to the expensive ones that I have kind of invested on. So there are various sort of activities. These are the ones that we have already used. So this is a nice one. Is your child ready to write? This comes with a lot of pattern building, making dots and doing slanting and standing and sleeping lines and curves, etc. So that's a very important pre-writing skill to kind of master before they actually start tracing or writing. So see, there are multiple such books available in the market, and like I said, it's never too early to start your child to write, because if they are interested, if they have been scribbling since a younger age, they might as well start writing very early. So if they are ready to learn, why should we keep them deprived of resources? So this is just to give you a basic idea of what all these books offer. This is again a similar thing which comes with a set of chalks, where you have to work with a chalk to teach them how to write their numbers. And this is again good value for money. The ones that I purchased recently, these workbook from the Oxford School Education. I'll link it below in the description box. They are slightly advanced, but like I said, if your child is if your child has the capacity to learn and do these things, you can start, and you should not go with the prescribed age, like age or class. This says LKG, but I think my son can easily do this, and will keep him in, it's a great way of practicing what they have learned already. And trust me, at this age, practice makes a lot of difference because they tend to forget a lot of things that they learn, because they are being exposed to a lot of newer things every now and then. So it's important to brush up the skills that they have acquired already, or they have learned already. So this one was for English, this one for maths, and this one was for EVS, environmental studies. Next, last.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good.
1,
20 किया है बोलो.
0,
20. Very good. लिखो.
plus 2.
Very good. Give me high five. Who's this?
Number.
Plumber. Very good. Aloud and circle only the wild animals.
Okay, Mama. This is dog now.
What is this animal?
This is a wild animal.
It's a wild animal. What is the name of this wild animal?
Deer. And
What about?
this is a bear.
Is it also a wild animal?
Yes.
Circle it. This is the next one.
Cat, no. Cow, no. Hippo. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus is a wild animal. Yes. Tell me which is the next one.
Tiger. The wild animal, Mama.
Okay. Next.
This is the leopard.
This is a leopard. Okay.
It's a wild
Mm.
And this is big elephant. And this is monkey.
Is it a wild animal?
Yes.
This one.
Bison.
Is it a bison or a yak?
Bison.
You sure?
Yes.
Bison is a wild animal or a domestic animal?
Wild animal.
Okay.
This is a tall giraffe.
Is it a wild or a domestic animal?
Wild.
I'll link it below in the description box for those who want to buy it. Extremely good books. And what you can also do is, if you get like, I can do a separate video on the kind of worksheets that you can download from the internet and create your own DIY worksheets and create an interactive notebook, which I have done with Abir as well. I'll probably make a separate video on that, how we practice on a notebook on a daily basis, what all we practice, and how we kind of brush up our skills on a daily basis. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents, and do share your comments in the comment section and share your ideas. For those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified on every video that I upload. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.